Tokidos!
Imagine being able to play a round of Jeopardy right in your own home. Who knows, animals, ocean, and space is a great way for kiddos between 4 and 5 to get curious about the world. This is how we play.
Who knows? Animals, ocean, space!
You can play from 1 to 4 players. Let's try the 4-player version. The mouse cube will then start asking questions.
What colors do you have to combine to get purple?
Whoever presses on their cube first takes the lead. You go left and right to select your answer.
Yellow and green. Red and blue. Orange and white.
If you get the answer wrong, somebody else gets to take the lead. Whoever gets to 4 points first wins the round.
Orange and white. Yellow and green. Red and blue.
And each question is followed by a fun fact.
A long time ago, purple clothes were very rare and expensive to make, so only kings and queens could wear them. But now, we can all wear purple.
The game contains more than 60 questions and fun facts that have been meticulously crafted. And it's a great way for the family to come together to play collaboratively or competitively.